Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Food Review Sundays, where every day is Sunday when you're watching Food Review Sundays. Today we're going to be reviewing a fun little piece of mine, chicken breast sandwich. As you can see, it's pretty standard, and on it I got some white American cheese and some bread and butter pickles. It's pretty okay. Without further ado, let's give it a taste test. I kind of forgot a sauce. Like, I was supposed to put like mayonnaise or mustard on there or something. I don't know, I forgot that. 3 out of 10, I'm a retard.